Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get kids' debit card on Revolut. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to create a debit card for your kid and you just want to give them some access, some funds just in case, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Revolut app here and you want to go access your account. Now, at the top right, you want to go and click on the card icon, and this is what you should be seeing. It should list all your card. Now go ahead and click on the add new option that you see at the bottom of your screen. Now on the next screen, you should see a number of options like debit, professional, kids, and teens. Go and choose kids and teens here, and you want to go and choose the option that says physical. Now if you click on physical, it should give you the option to enter details of your child. So that includes their legal first name, their legal last name, their date of birth, their gender, and your relationship with that child. So if you're a parent or a guardian, go and specify that. Now, once you've added all the details and hit on continue, that should create a new debit card for your kid, and they should be able to start using it. So just make sure to provide the correct details first. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.